I'm still trying to figure out what that laugh is. It's cold. We are in Finland, Helsinki. We are looking for a pub. We have gone to the pharmacy. So far, we have gone to a pharmacy every day, every stop. We have seen a pharmacy in Copenhagen. We have been to a pharmacy in Windsor. We have been to a pharmacy in, where were we at? Oh, in Germany, 2 pharmacies in Germany. Oh, but now we're on the pub hunt. It's a bit rainy, but it has stopped. No. Okay, people walking. It's a pretty little park. You mean a brazier? I know, honey.
Might be too high scale for us. We need something more folky going.
I don't know. I'm just gonna pop in and get a few things. I'll be right back.
Yeah, sure.
Places you will see. The bar and cafe are open throughout the entire cruise.
Kauppatori on Helsingin suosituin tori. Vilkkaana kesäpäivänä torilla saattaa käydä jopa 30 000 henkilöä.
Did you get that?
Matala punakeltainen tiilirakennus kauppatorin laidalla on tunnelmallinen vanha kauppahalli, josta voi ostaa paljon erilaisia elintarvikkeita, kuten juustoa, kalaa ja lihaa. Vuonna 1889 valmistuneessa hallissa on myös mukavia kahviloita ja ruokapaikkoja. Kaivopuiston kaupungin osa on vihreä ja arvokas alue Helsingin eteläosassa, jossa on useiden valtioiden suurlähetystöjä. Mineraalivesiä, otettiin erilaisia kylpyjä ja ennen kaikkea opeteltiin kovin muodikasta uinnintaitoa.
The Kaivopuisto area is one of the exclusive neighborhoods of Helsinki. Several embassies are located in this green and reputable part of Helsinki. In the 19th century, there was a popular spa by the seaside. Russian nobility used to come here by steamboat directly from St. Petersburg. They enjoyed healthy mineral waters and learned to swim, which in those days was very fashionable. South, it is much warmer. During more normal winters, you can walk and skate on the ice and even drive your car from the mainland.